How to view stats or analytics on your Monzo Bank app. So if you use the Monzo mobile banking application and you'd like to view the stats and the analytics of your transactions, it is quite very simple to do so. First of all, you want to make sure to launch your Monzo Bank application, and this is the interface you will see, and you also want to make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your account, you want to select a certain account of which you would like to view the summary of. And once you have selected a certain account, on the next page you'll find these type of options. In this case, if I selected my current account, you'll see these options right here. And if I want to view the analytics or the summary of my current account, from the very top right hand side you can see a little circle like icon which represents a graph icon. So you have to just tap on that particular icon there, and once you've done that, you will be able to see a full summary of your transactions as to how much you left, from which date starting to which date, and you'll be able to find all those details. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically find and view your stats or analytics on Monzo Bank. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.